I just got an Actbest Summit e-bike, foldable, and I want to know how fast it goes. I'm hearing all these rumors from other people that this thing can go, 20, 25 miles an hour. I'm going to find out. I'm 6'2", 218 pounds, and we're going to find out how fast this thing goes. Would you ride this thing fast? I'm going to do it. Let me know what you think in the comments. Without further ado, let's get this thing rolling. We're going to take this run down Fairview Road. You can really get this thing cooking down here. Let's see what we can do on pedal assist 5. That's 5. Throttle 1. 20 miles an hour. 22. 25. 27. 28. 29. I got 29 miles an hour out of that. I don't feel comfortable riding that fast on this joker. Hey, Mr. Garbage Man.